Let's film the jackass who has no talent whatsoever. But they put the jackass over there to make as much noise as possible. Listen to that. Listen to the jackass. Listen to the jackass. As they terrorize you at this corner. Do you like it? Do you like the sense of what happens? Why don't you come here and join me? Why don't you come and join me? You leave me here? Come! Come and live this fucking hell every hour! Come and live it! 3 times you abandoned me and betrayed me. Come and live it! Justin Trudeau! Come and live it! You will never be Prime Minister again. You have caused my suffering, Trudeau. Come and live it! Come and live it! You're handcuffed. You're in prison. Look at the jackasses. You're handcuffed. Oh, but he's wearing yellow. He's a prison guard. A yellow jacket. Oh, he's dutifully got his